How to sign into YouTube TV. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can log into YouTube TV. Now, if you're logging into YouTube TV on your computer or phone browser, then go ahead and launch your browser. Now, head over to tv.youtube.com. Go ahead and tap on the sign up or sign in option at the top. Now, we want to choose the Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Once you enter that, you're now signed in and ready to watch. On Smart TV, open the YouTube TV app on your Smart TV. If it's not installed, download it from TV's App Store. A verification code will appear on your TV. On your computer or phone, go to youtube.com/TV. Now enter the code, then select the Google account linked to your YouTube TV and click on Allow. In this way, you can easily sign into YouTube TV, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.